So I got the Mustang Mach 1 back in the shop and starting on it again. It started cooling off real good, and she's been sitting in the driveway, probably for 4 months or so, because I had so many other projects, and finally got it back in the garage. Unfortunately, my body man I had that was working on it got diabetes real bad, and they ended up had to take one of his legs off. They amputated his leg from the knee down, so he was unfortunately not able to finish the body work. He was just starting to do all the gaps on the doors and finish mudding in, filling in the new quarter panel section. He did, however, get the tail section finished, and he was going to come back and go over that again, and he did get this side together finished. So I got the engine off the engine stand, and I went ahead and got it bolted to the transmission. I painted the transmission the other day. There's a slight difference in the color. I just realized it in the daylight. Something about this duplicolor engine paint. If you don't shake the can well, it will come out a different color. You have to kind of not shake the can and use power. But if you keep shaking, mixing it up, it'll thin it out. But it's a slightly different color. This is like a light forward blue, and that's like a dark forward blue. But in the dark, you can't really tell it. Like back here, you can't really tell it, but you get up on it, you can tell. I mean, you might be able to tell on camera, I don't know. But anyway, we got it mounted together. I'm not going to repaint this engine. The transmission is going to be up under the car, so you won't see it anyway. So anyway, just an update on the Mustang Rustang. I got one of the fenders in here. I was just kind of playing around, put it up on the front of the car just to see how everything was going to line up. Of course, couldn't really do nothing. But I got everything under the hood ready. Got the master cylinder, new brake booster, windshield wipers, wire harness, brake lines ran, power steering lines ready. So I'm going to go ahead and set her in and start hooking her up. And I'm just going to get the engine in and get it bolted in, and then I'm going to jump into the inside and start running the harness on the inside. And I'm just ready to get this engine in, off the stand, and out the way. So anyway, this is a quick update of the Mustang 72 Mach 1. This is a 400, not a modified, it's just a regular 400. It's got a little stuff done to it, and we'll get it in there. You'll be the first to see it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like it, share it. Like I say, it's a lot of stuff coming up. I was going to go to a car show today, but had a lot of other stuff going on and just didn't go. So anyway, holler at y'all later.